Ayan. So, magandang araw mga kababayan, and this is Divine PH. And ngayong araw po, gusto ko pong pag-uusapan natin yung pagbisita po ni President Bongbong Marcos sa May, Brunei. Bali, may 2-day visit, working visit nga po siya sa Brunei para po sa bilateral meeting. Kung matatandaan niyo po, naimbitahan lang naman po ang presidente natin, di ba? Imbitahan po siya ni His Majesty Sultan Haji Hassanal Bolkiah. Kung matatandaan niyo po, yung huling pagbisita ni President Bongbong Marcos ay nung kinasal po, yung nung nagkaroon po ng royal wedding dyan sa Brunei. Nung January po ata yun. And ito nga po, alam niyo po ba na ang Brunei at ang Pilipinas ay may strong friendship. Bali, ano na nga po yan yung diplomatic relation na na-establish ng Pilipinas at ng Brunei is 40 years na. At na-recall nga po nila na ang kauna-unahang Philippine leader or Philippine leader na pumunta ng Brunei ay noong 1984, which is ang tatay po ni President Bongbong Marcos na si former President Ferdinand Endralin Marcos Sr. Bali, two leaders nga, President Bongbong Marcos nga po and His Majesty Bolkiah will underscore the signed agreement that witnessed about maritime cooperation, tourism, and agriculture, as these will further contribute to the continuing growth and development of both the Philippines and Brunei. And during the bilateral meeting mga kababayan, tingnan nyo to maliwanag pa. Ayan. 2 deals signed to boost PH Brunei ties on agribusiness trade, agriculture mga kababayan. Ayan. At these 2 agreements were forged between the Philippines and Brunei Darussalam during the 2-day state visit of President Marcos Jr. to the Sultanate state. The deals aim to further strengthen the agriculture and economic cooperation between the two countries, according to President Auna. Between the two countries. The first agreement po is signed was the Memorandum of Understanding for Partnership in Agriculture and department between the ASEAN Business Advisory, yung MSMEs Advisory Council, and the Bruneian Asian Business Advisory Council Philippines. The Memorandum of Understanding establishes partnership for agriculture and micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises development aimed at enhancing economic integration, promoting sustainable agribusiness practices, and fostering inclusive business model with the ASEAN region. It also outlines cooperation in conducting studies, mentorship programs, and identifying trade and investment opportunities in the agriculture sector. Bali, ito nga po, yung isa sa mga deals or agreement na pinirmahan ni President Bongbong Marcos at ni His Majesty Bolkiah is about po sa agriculture, agribusiness. Alam naman po natin dito sa bansa natin na isa sa pangunahing prioridad ng ating administrasyon ay ang agrikultura. Siyempre po, hindi lang basta tumutulong si President Bongbong Marcos sa ating mga magsasaka. Binibigay din po ng pamahalaan yung mga tulong na kayang ibigay, 'di ba? Para matulungan sila na mas maiangat pa yung antas ng kanilang pamumuhay. Siyempre po, yung supply ng ating mga bigas, ng ating iba't iba pang commodities. Ayan. So, yung pangalawang agreement nga po na pinirmahan, National Chamber of Commerce and Industry of Brunei Darussalam and the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry aimed at strengthening economic cooperation between Brunei. Ayan. The Memorandum of Understanding focuses on exchanging information, organizing trade and investment missions, and supporting different industries such as information and communications technology, halal food, smart agriculture, manufacturing, franchising, tourism, services, and micro, small, and medium enterprises development. It also establishes the business councils in both countries to facilitate joint initiative and outline dispute resolution mechanism. Through this forum, we stand firm in strengthening the business relations between the Philippines and Brunei Darussalam. Our partnership is a symbol of the shared aspiration to foster economic growth and shape a more vibrant ASEAN community. So yun po yung sabi ni President Bongbong Marcos. Alam niyo naman po na tuwing umaattend si President Bongbong Marcos ng kahit ano pang meeting, bilateral, ASEAN Summit, or whatsoever po, tuwing pumupunta po yan sa ibang bansa para umattend ng meeting, hindi lamang po Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang bitbit niya. Ang bitbit niya po is yung buong Pilipinas na syempre po makikipag-usap yan. Syempre iaangat niya yung kung ano ba yung mga mai-o-offer, kung ano ba yung mga maipagmamalaki ng Pilipinas. At dahil po dyan sa ginagawa ni President Bongbong Marcos, syempre nakakakuha tayo ng panibagong investors, ng mga investments, ng mag-i-invest para sa Pilipinas. Na makakabenepisyo rin naman po ay ang ating mga kababayan. So yan mga kababayan, good news po yan. Ayan po yung naganap na noong pagbisita ni President Bongbong Marcos sa Brunei. So yun lamang po mga kababayan, and maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.